Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, Cramer is basically indicating that the bear market is over and people should be at least people should start buying certain stocks. And right now the market is up, so at least in pre-market, says we're almost in oversold territory. Cramer says. He says that it's been a while wide, but we're almost in the oversold territories, and there's not much more China can do to hurt our economy, Cramer said. I followed Cramer in the past, and when Cramer said, "Oh, hell week," then it was hell week. The week was pretty bad. Monday was pretty bad, and then now he's saying, "Oh, you should be thinking about buying back into the stock market." So, usually Jim Cramer is a good indicator. It's like the Jim Cramer indicator. He said, like, when the market was crashing, he said, "No, stay out of the market." And then as the market was recovering, he said, "Oh, bear market is over. People should be buying back into the stock market." And what happened? We had the rally of a lifetime. So, Jim Cramer, he's smart. He knows the market. He's been in it for a long time. So he seems to know what he's doing. He has a pretty good track record too. I follow him pretty closely. He's been wrong on a few things like Lyft. He's been wrong on Lyft. He said, he was very bullish on Lyft, but Lyft kept selling off. So what do you guys think? He's thinking stocks that are good stocks to buy, or stocks that are that won't be affected by the China trade war, like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Alphabet. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. I'm thinking that if Jim Cramer is saying that the sell-off might be over soon, then we might have a few more green days coming up here. But I could be wrong. I mean, this is not me telling you this. This is Jim Cramer telling you this. So let's see if Jim Cramer's right. Let's see if we're gonna have a few green days and the market rallies back to all-time highs, and then become volatile again as trade tensions warm up. So let's see if that happens. Who knows? Yeah. So the market right now in pre-market, in the futures, they're all up. So that's a good positive sign that stocks will continue to run up. Another companies that are not affected by the China trade war, Aurora Cannabis. They're in Canada, and they're not in China. And they're a Canadian company. So Aurora is in pre-market up 14 cents. They are having earnings today. I'm gonna add in the title because usually Aurora, anything that has the word Aurora on it, the video views get better. I'm gonna probably comment, make a title like, "Is Aurora a buy before earnings?" I honestly wouldn't gamble on it, but that's just me. Personally, I'm gonna be holding my 16,000 shares. I did have 17. I sold 1,000 shares when it was, I think, in the $9 ranges. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. I think the stock has room to. I think that the Aurora should have a correction like the rest of the industry. But it's just my opinion. Like Aphria, CanTrust, they both had corrections, yet Aurora is kind of like still strong. Yeah. So, but earnings are gonna be interesting. I might have to do another like, I have work today. So I don't know if the earnings is gonna be right after the market closes, or is it gonna be right after the market officially closes, like the aftermarket? So I don't know for sure. Nobody knows for sure, but I'm definitely very interested to see what Aurora stock would do. I'm very curious. I really look forward to tomorrow's earnings report. I think I'm a big fan of Aurora. I look forward to seeing. I want to see the company grow. Okay, at the end of the day, I want to see the company grow, but I also don't want to buy at these prices. I want the prices to go down, like Afria and Cantras, to a reasonable level where I can pick up shares for at least a reasonable price. But I don't know if that'll happen. Let's see. I hope so. I'm crossing my fingers so I can buy more. But that may not happen. That just may not happen. But I'm crossing my fingers and I'm hoping that the stock price has a little big correction after earnings report. But that might not happen. So we'll see. Tilray is down $3.38. After hours is up 53 cents. Apparently Tilray is going to be having earnings probably on the same time as Aurora. So both Aurora and Tilray will be having earnings after the market closes today. There was no earnings this morning, so I'm guessing it's going to be after the market closes today. But who knows? Who knows when the conference is coming out? But Tilray, I think I'm bearish on Tilray. But even if I'm bearish, even if Tilray announced poor earnings, as long as it's their revenue grows, I guess, and they don't lose too much money, the stock should go up. Hopefully, I don't know for sure, but hopefully for people who like Tilray. But I don't know. I honestly would just stay. I personally stay away from Tilray. I look at the company business fundamentals and I honestly don't like it. I think Aurora is a much better company, but that's I'm biased a little bit. But just looking at Tilray, the business model, I don't think they should have a valuation of $4.5 billion US market cap. But that's just my opinion. Afria is up 19 cents in pre-markets. So Afria could, I'm thinking of, Afria is not a cannabis stock. It sold off big time yesterday, and today it's kind of recovering. I don't have too much to say about Afria. They did have some management news today. They, I think they swap out some management or something like that. Hold on. Yes. Announces executive appointment and transition. So they're adding new people to the team. So I mean, management is the most important aspect of the company, and by strengthening their management, that's a good sign. At least this is my opinion. Cannabis growth is up 87 cents pre-market. Gibbs from Stock Market News says that Canopy Grove could bounce from here, but I could, who knows? They have been oversold. They have been sold quite heavily in the past few days, so they're down about almost a total of 8%. So, could be a good swing play, but that's about it. I honestly would. I'm just gonna. I was considering buying some Canopy, but the fact that it's up in pre-markets, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna see how it plays out. But if this rally is nothing more than just a small little pop, and by the end of the day it's back down to like -2 or 3%, I might make a small little purchase, or like at least a call option. Hoping that the stock has like a 5 to 10% bounce. Could make some money off of it, but who knows. Afria is. Oh wait, they already talked about Afria. So companies like Boeing is a big China play, but Boeing is up almost 1% after in pre-markets. Qualcomm, another big China play, up 61 cents. A little pissed off about that. I may just sell out of my Qualcomm position at a loss and just take the money that I have, but I'm not too sure yet. I mean, I still have until the end of the week, so the end of this week could be a strong week, and I could really get screwed out of my call option. But I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so I might just sell out. I might just leave it and just gamble the fact that it could still fall. I don't know yet. It's a tough decision, I guess. Apple is up. Oh, only 97 cents pre-market. That's interesting. I thought Canopy looked like Canopy was oversold, but oh crap. Looked like Canopy was oversold, but I guess not. It was up a lot more in pre-markets. Now it's only up 97 cents. I guess another company would be Facebook. If Facebook's only up $1.36. If Jim Cramer's right, Facebook should continue to go to the upside. Facebook's been oversold in the past few days. It used to be $195. Now it's $181. That's 7.13% move to the downside. So could be a good opportunity. Who knows? Bitcoin has rallied again. Keeps rallying. Keeps going up. Same with Ethereum. CanTrust had earnings today. It wasn't too bad, and the market rewarded CanTrust for it. It's up pre-market 6.11%. They did make a small profit, so that's pretty good. And the stock went up today. I think Africa's gonna follow, but we'll see if I'm right or wrong. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.